how to add temperature in your Instagram story. To add this feature while you are posting your Instagram story, this video is for you. To do so, first of all, launch your Instagram application and make sure that you have logged into it. Then simply hit on the plus button and then select the photo that you want to post as a story. Then hit on the next. Now on the top you will see sticker icon, hit on that, and from here on the top bar search for temperature. Here you will see a lot of options. From them you have to choose the accurate one. Simply select this one and then you are good to go. And simply hit on the next and you have easily added temperature in your Instagram story. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.